Hi there. So today we're going to show you here how you could make your own industrial grade vinyl labels with this easy to use label printer. I'm going to show you many uses. It's very versatile of the type of labels you can do. Many of our customers are electricians and industrial electrical companies that mark electrical panels. So that's a big use for these labels. And we also know that electricians need to mark cable tray. So here's an example of a high voltage cable tray label. That's very popular. Also, industrial pipe marking is a big one for indoor or outdoor pipes. This vinyl will work just fine for that. And some companies use it for their equipment and rental equipment, and you can see the before and after without the label and with the label. I'm going to show you that in a second, how to apply those. And here's just how the label printer works. So let's just go over it here. So basically, you're going to choose what label roll and material you're going to use. And then you'll install it on the holder in the back, and you'll feed it through the printer. And once that's coming through, you'll feed it through the cutter assembly here. And then you're going to choose your ribbon, either the white or the black ribbon. In this case, it'll be the black ribbon. So we're printing black on yellow. And then you'll install the black ribbon here. Once that's done, next you'll just simply close the printer up, turn the power on. And then the next part will be going to design your label. So what comes with it is the free bartender version. It's called Ultralight. And that comes free with the printer. And you'll be able to design any kind of labels, bringing in text, images, barcodes. And once you're ready, you have it designed, you just go ahead and print to that printer. And it will automatically cut to size that you designed it to. So it's really simple. And the next is the containers. So we have a customer here that uses it for all kinds of containers, chemical containers. And again, these are indoor or outdoor, and that vinyl will hold up to what their specs are. Also on some of their drums, they put labels. This is another customer of ours that stores jet fuel in these barrels, these drums. And you can see they use a white vinyl on it with a black ribbon, and these labels hold up really well. Here, I'm just going to show you how to apply some labels. So in this case, this is a Genie Lift piece of equipment. This is a white ribbon on a clear vinyl, and that simulates kind of a spray painted look, but obviously there's no dry time and a much cleaner look. Another use could be for mobile buildings and mobile structures. Here are some trailers for construction. You've seen these on many construction sites, and camps use these a lot. You might need to just identify the room that they're at, or whatever identification that your trailers would need. It's simple. You can see here how easily it is. You could print them right on site and apply them there. And maybe you want to just put some advertising on your structures. And finally, here's a tear-resistant tag material. These come on a roll with perforations. Very durable, strong tags that could be something you need as well. And then we'll just recap quickly on what you're going to need if you're ready to order. So you're going to need to choose the label printer with the cutter kit, we call it. It has the back holder and everything as well. So once you got that, then you'll just decide which ribbon you want, either a black or a white ribbon, depending on what's applicable to your labels. And then you have to choose in 1, 2, 3, or 4-inch label rolls for the vinyl. And that's it. Once you got that, you design your labels. We'll help you with the setup and the installation. If you have any other questions, we'll be happy to help you out.